Hello everybody, make una welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time when I dey jam my channel, welcome. So today I don't come with another banger, a banging banga soup. This na okra banga soup. Una know say that they use banga cook different types of soup wey not be banga soup, but this one na really banga soup. But I wan show una how you take use okra cook am. See, now banga sauce be this. If you get real banga, if you just cook your own, then extract them. But now the banga sauce will not get real banga for you. So now the sauce we they use. Then this now dry fish. I go use dry fish. I go use tico. Now me make this tico. I go leave the link for the description box. If you want check them out later, how I take make them, you go see them for the link. Then this one too, now me still make them. I go leave the link for the description box. This na belle tete. This na shrimp, dried shrimp. I don't already come out the head. Dry pepper. This na taiko. This na rogoje. This na ground crayfish, whole crayfish. I don't come out the head. Then salt and maggi, onions. I go use only half of it. Then okra. I go still use the stick of this a banga stick. I'll just use a little piece of it. So this is what I go use. If you like, you fit still use bitter leaf join them. So I go heat up this water, bring it to a boil. When it all hot, I will come add the banga sauce, the banga concentrate, so that the thing go loosen up well. So before the water hot, I go just use this time, clean the fish, then do any other thing wey I go fit do. Like I tell you now for the beginning, say na me make the fish, so the fish not really dirty. Now just to remove all those ngwangwa wey be say e dey for the belly, all those things na be say I want clean comot, then just rinse them. If not, the thing really not dirty. As I tell now, I go leave the link on how I take make the fish for the description box. Una fit check them out later. So if this na the first time we be say you dey see my channel or you dey watch my video before and you never subscribe to my channel, I beg na God I take beg una, make una help una sister subscribe to the channel, make una like the video. So that button where they write subscribe, you go click am. Then that notification bell, you go click am so that anytime we say I post video, they go send notification come give you so that you go come watch the video. So make una like and make una share the video. Now God go bless una. Thank you. Make I also use this time hail and salute everyone wey be say don't subscribe to my channel. You guys be the best. Una be correct people. After una na una again. I love you from the bottom of my heart. Now God go continue to dey bless una all. So I don't wash everything. This na the ice fish, this na the tico. Now me make am so the thing not dirty. I just scrub am with a brush. You fit scrub am with iron sponge. Then the fish too, I soak am for hot water, then scrub am because not be me make am, I store for buy am. So I soak am for hot water, then scrub am. So if you want to know how to do am, I get other videos where we say I show how I take wash this and this one, the tico and the dry fish. You go see them for my banga soup video. Any video where we say I use dry fish or tico cook, it did there. I not just want to repeat them now again. So as the water don't hot well, time don't reach for me to put the banga concentrate. We know they get real banga for you, so this now what we they use. So I go just put the thing inside, turn the thing, make sure the thing they light well, because this banga I don't use them so many times. I not go lie to you. Some people they say na wood they inside, na lie, na sand they inside. I don't use them for a long time. I not go lie to you now. So if you know they do your banga like this before you cook them, especially when they use this canned banga, if you cook your soup finish, you go surprise say sand dey inside. So I go just make the thing, see as the thing water plenty, the thing go come light, it go come give the opportunity for the sand to go settle for the bottom. So I go just let the thing cook. I get 2 other banga soup video, and for the comment, people don't come, they follow me, they argue say na wood not be sansa. See, I go show una say na sansa. This video now I want take proof, because The other ones I show, but they not believe the thing. But this video, I want use show so that nobody in future go come they follow me, they argue, say not be sansana wood. You hear that sound? That's not sansa. You dey hear am? See? I think una don dey see small proof just now. Don't worry, I go show una the real sansan later. As the thing don't boil, I can't turn them off. I go let the thing settle small before I go turn am for the pot wey be say I want to cook am. So while the banga sauce dey rest, I go grind the spices. So this na taiko and this na rugoje. If you watch my other banga soup, you go see how you supposed to use them. I tell you how they combine the thing to use, so you go understand how to use these spices. But some people that they buy banga spice, the one they already mix. I don't know about that. I don't use them. It don't work for me. So some people say it good. The one will be say I try, no, it don't work for me. Now make me they use the real seed. Whenever they use spices, I like to they use the real seed, because sometimes all those things where they grind, you don't know what they grind put, so you know go taste like the real thing. That's why I like to they use the real seed. But in case, because I understand say sometimes people know if they get the real seed, you feel use what you get. But if you get opportunity to use real seed or the one with they grind, my sister and brothers, please use the real seed. In case you don't know what they call a taiko and rogojo, or you never see the face, you don't know how the thing be, I go leave the link of my other banga soup video inside the description box, and I go figure look the video later. So I really describe it and I show now well so that you go see the face. So make the spices with the air for no lost. I go grind the onions inside. You fit use medium size onions, but because this onions big, where we are go only use half of it. Like I tell una before, the reason why we say make me the one use this mortar now because of say the spices dey inside make it for not lost. But if you use blender to do everything, life don't change. So if you get blender, use blender. If na stone you get, you fit still use stone. In case anybody dey interested in knowing the real measurement of everything wey be say I use, I go leave the link to my website for the description box, and the name of my website na dey on top the video. The only thing wey be say dey missing for here na the 3W and dot, so www. Then the spicyanddeliciousgoodness.com. So at this point, all the sansa wey dey inside go don set to go the bottom. So now I go pour the thing small. Okay, now they see you. Now they see sansa. All this thing, na sansa. People like to they argue. All this thing na sansa. Not be wood. See am. See. Look am. See. This no be sansa. See am. This not be sand. What you go call this now? Wood you go call this. See am. No, they see am. I know say many people will be say that they use this type of banga, don't wait till they talk. But in case you know they use them, this not the experience will be say we they get. So the banga water don't they boil. I don't already rinse them. As I tell you now, me make the tea, so sansa my every day the tiko, you know they dirty. So I they put the tiko quick so that the thing go cook the tiko. As they boil, the tiko go they cook inside. I go also add the banga stick so that the flavor go dey comot enter the soup. Then the shrimp too. All these things that they make the build flavor wey be say the soup go come sweet. Wash crayfish. I don't rinse all of them. Then I go come add pepper. You fit add pepper to your taste. Later I go taste them. If pepper not catch am, I go add pepper. There's no particular time to really add the spice. If you add the spice anytime. So I'll go add the banga spice and the belle tete. So the soup don't cook small. I will come add maggi. I go add the ground crayfish. All this one go thicken up. This soup no need to thick well because na okra. If like say na just ordinary banga soup, you go want make the thing thick well before they do add things like that. But this one no go thick well. So I go add the fish. I know make the fish quick scatter and I make me not add them quick. So all the taste of the dry fish go enter. I go use this time put to the onions. Normally onions might be the last thing why they add, but this time around I go add the onions now. See, the still don't they want thick because the onions they thicken the soup too. See as the still don't they want thick now because onions don't enter. So I put small salt. See, it's still on the thick. That's not the work of onions plus the scent of onions. When onions and the spices meet together, hey God, now that time now you go know say you dey cook banga soup. The smell and the taste not be here. So as the soup they cook, I just say I quickly cut the okra because time don't reach for me to add the okra. So I go just cut the okra. You no need to use plenty okra. This not be draw soup. You know make the soup draw like okra soup. The okra na to thicken am, and the taste wey okra they add to banga soup. You not go ever know until you taste them. You not go even believe say na banga soup you dey eat. It just be like say the okra they take them to another level. So the size of okra wey be say they take they cook the okra banga soup, it not really too matter that much. If you leave the thing, make the thing big, small, or make the thing smooth. But I like am like this. This is okay for me. So as the soup done the thick small, I go use this time to add the smoked ice fish. But I know say the thing already done, so you don't need to say okay you won't cook the thing tea. Like play, the soup don't thick finish. See am. I go still put some water. This is too thick. So now I put the okra. Make I put small water. So now add small water. So the soup you not go just the draw, you go just thick. The okra they join the thicken am. The okra and the onions now the two things where they join the thicken the soup. So you don't need to let the thing thick than a regular banga soup. Cook and make it thick before you put the onions. See? You see the thing not they draw. This one already too thick. Make I put water, make the thing light small so that I go get time cook. Make it cook small. See? It already thick. See how? I just add small water, it too thick. Normally we be say you dey cook banga soup, nobody they add water. We they look for add water go take dry, but this one just too thick. Now make me they add water. So make we let the thing boil small. Make I test them first to see whether salt and everything catch them. Delicious. So now I just add the remaining pepper. add small salt. If you get native salt, if you use native salt, but my native salt I dey save am for only owo soup, because not be wetin you go say you wan run go market go buy for here. So but if you dey Nigeria, you fit put native salt if you get that one. Okay, make we let am cook small. So the soup don dey cook for about 10 minutes now. You no go believe the way this house dey scent. God, hungry don start to dey catch me. So I just dey turn the soup carefully so that all the fish no go come break. See, the thing don thick. See, if you want make it thick pass like that, you fit to, but this is okay for this soup. But I go just cook am small, maybe 5 more minutes, so that all the taste go enter. We not really care about the okra. We don't want draw okra. We don't make the okra thick in the soup, so we not mind to cook the okra thick. As the okra they help thicken the soup, now so it also they take the flavor to another level. This soup sweet die, you don't go believe. So the soup done ready. Oh, see, this now what they call correct Okro Banga soup. If you never ever eat this one, all those banga soup they don't eat before, they're not sweet rich. This one, anytime we say they eat okra banga soup, the only thing why they think about in our village, all those banga soup we be all those old mama they cook. Now that thing now they think about every time. Then come eat them with very cold eba. Hey God, I beg, try am first. The eba, it could just be like say sugar day, whether na the coldness I been waiting. The thing and they sweet, especially when you can't eat them with very hot banga soup. Hey God, oh. See the face of the soup. See as it dey very busy. Anytime when you put your hand inside the soup, something must follow the eba enter your mouth. So now when we say you don't see how they cook the okra banga soup, I hope you go give them a try, because if you try them, you go really enjoy them. So thank you for watching the video. Till I see you again, make una stay kampe. God go continue to dey bless you now, and I love you now. Bye bye yo.